Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw your funds to a fiat account. That means transferring your money from the World app wallet to your bank account, card, or even PayPal. Let's get right into it. First, open the wallet section inside your World app, then tap the More Options opening parenthesis ... button on the screen. From the menu that appears, choose Withdraw. Next, select the token you want to withdraw, for example, your WLD or any other balance available. After that, tap on Fiat Account Now. Enter the amount you'd like to withdraw and choose your preferred withdrawal method or provider. This could be a bank account, card, or another supported option. Once you've entered the details, tap Continue. You'll then be redirected to a third-party provider's website, which will handle the actual transaction. Fill in the requested information, such as your bank details or PayPal email, and review everything carefully before confirming. When you're ready, tap Confirm Withdrawal. Then done to exit the process. Keep in mind that these transactions are fully managed by the external provider, and they may charge a withdrawal fee that World app doesn't control. Processing can take up to 3 business days, depending on your provider and payment method. And that's it. Your funds will arrive in your fiat account once the transfer is completed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple guides like this one.